Angel here, the overseas sales manager of INVT Power. Today, we are going to introduce INVT production base in Fuyong, Shenzhen. The factory is mainly responsible for production, manufacture, and delivery of the foreign products, uninterruptible power supply, integrated data center solutions, precision air conditioners, electric vehicles, and photovoltaic products, covering an area of 880,000 square meters. The Fuyong production base uses about 40,000 square meters, with a 3-level main building and a 2-level auxiliary workshop. There are about 600 employees, and the design capacity of the plant is 800,000 units per year. The factory is under strict control of static electricity, and all inspection operators wear anti-static clothing, gloves, shoes, and wristbands. Without further ado, we can't wait to show you around. Let's follow in our footsteps and take a video of it.
Now we are in our pre-processing area. It's mainly used for the data center and processing air conditioner assembly, such as the screen, distribution box, temperature and humidity detectors, and so on. We have 3 production lines, 2 roller conveyor assembly lines, one for the production of rack and base station room processing air conditioner, and the other produce indoor and large room processing air conditioner. At the same time, we also have a cell production line, mainly used for our small and medium data center and other units of processing air conditioner above 38 kilowatts. Now we are in our copper-to-bar welding area. The copper-to-bar welding of processing air conditioner is finished here, including the copper-to-bar prefabrication weld. After being welded, the product will be sent to this hydrogen and nitrogen leak detection room. In this room, we will conduct the leak detection on the copper-to-bar welding of processing air conditioner to make sure that the copper pipe is well welded. Now we came to our safety and ATE, automatic test equipment room. In this room, we will do 3 tests. The first one, safety testing, including installation test with standard voltage test and grounding test. The second one is performance testing. That's to test whether the performance of the product meets the standards of leaving the factory. The third one is scan core testing. Scanning each product and the data will be automatically uploaded to MES system. If the product test fails, it can be packaged and stored. Here is our refrigerant charging room. This area is mainly used for the indoor and outdoor units of the processing air conditioner to calculate the gas charging before leaving the factory, like the refrigerant charging and the nitrogen charging. Now we came to our data center production line, like our iSmart and iWait small and medium data center. They will be produced on this line. In this line, we use cell production mode to assemble 1 person for 1 machine. It takes about 9 hours for each machine from being processed online to warehousing. We aim at offering faster customized solutions to our customers, like our iSmart and iWait data center. Almost all of them are non-standard products, direct production according to IPO orders, which can greatly meet the individual needs of our customers. For these non-standard products, in addition to some standard function tests, we will also conduct some tests on it according to non-standard projects. This is our packaging area. All our data center and processing air conditioner will be packaged here. After being packaged, the product will be sent to our warehouse. Let's look at our stereoscopic warehouse. Look at this. For these finished products, which means that the system will send them to the corresponding position and store them. They can also be called out automatically through scanning codes. Automatic operation, safe and reliable.
Follow us and welcome to our high-capacity UPS production lines. It is used to produce modular response cabinets. There are two production models, work island and the assembly lines. The work island is used for more than 200 kVA UPS. One person has to complete one machine independently, and the assembly lines are used for 30 to 200 kVA UPS. There is one computer at each workbench with standard operating procedure and realizing paperless working. MES system can check the production process while scanning. Each machine has its own serial number. All key materials need to establish a corresponding relationship with the machine and can be traced by barcode scanning.
Hello everyone, I'm Nico, and now we are on the second floor of the factory. As you can see, this is our small capacity UPS assembly line. One line manufactures 1, 2, 3 kVA tower and rack UPS. The other lines produce sets to 20 kVA tower and rack UPS. Meanwhile, it supports 3-phase 10 to 30 kVA power modules production. 40 kVA and 50 kVA are manufactured on the first floor.
Hello guys, this is Michael. Now I'm going to show you the finished product testing area. After assembling, conduct installation tests, pre-aging tests, and BI tests. When all tests are completed, package the product. Here is our pressure resistance testing area. The purpose of pressure resistance tests is to avoid dangers for users and maintenance personnel. All electric products must undergo safety tests in accordance with industry safety regulations before delivery. The testing area covers 918 square meters. There are 48 test benches and weighing 5,499 kilowatts. Test method is automatic ATE. Product test power covers 6 to 1,500 kVA and test capacity is 1 billion yuan per year. Testing content includes load aging test, no load, full load, and overload test, battery mode test, man and bypass transfer test, system efficiency test, and so on. The whole process control of the product is divided into two parts. First part is IPQC, assembly site, material accuracy, SOP, first inspection, and the second part is performance test, to test if performance in all aspects meet requirements, including performance test of installation safety, pre-aging, aging, after-aging test. Here is manufacturing area for our customized products. The whole area consists of two parts. Modifying machine area. In this area, we will modify the standard machine directly, then do after-aging tests, which meet the requirements of mainland China. The other one is IPO. This area is based on orders produced. It is applicable to overseas customers. It takes a longer period relatively and production according to customer requirements.
Let's go and see what's on the third floor. Now, what you see is the PCB board manufacturing area. The PCB semi-finished board manufacturing workshop is visible here as empty and welding components. Serials starting with 70,002 are semi-finished board. The board workshop will program software when processing the control board, test the performance conductivity. Serials starting with 70,001 are finished board. To avoid electrostatic damage, we should wear gloves when touching them. The single board automatic testing is developed and produced by ourselves. The production capacity of each automatic testing bench is 80 to 100 pieces per hour. The last one is automatic and hand spraying and baking of conformal coatings to achieve protective and anti-chlorine effects. Automatic spraying can be processed by barcode scanning. After spraying, come to baking, then spraying the other side and bake again. There are two automatic spraying equipment, scan barcode and program control spray.
is our incoming area. This area is in charge of receiving and distributing all materials for our factory, receives more than 250 batches of materials per day, and realizing barcode scanning to receive physical objects and carry out financial operations effectively through MES system so as to avoid errors. For the IQC part, here is the material appearance inspection area. After receiving materials, arrange materials inspection by taking the number in IQC to be inspected billboard. Then materials will be sent to the raw materials warehouse. After FQC inspection, the product will be sent to the package area and the worker will clean the appearance of the product and self-check it and then send it to the inspection area. OQC will do full inspection for the appearance. The product will be packaged after the inspection is okay, and the package methods are depend on the product features. Small machines don't need pallets, but our big machines are packed with wooden pallets, and the buffer foam will be put into all package boxes. After package, then the product will be transferred to storage. Before shipment, OQA will check again, and then allow the goods to leave factory after the inspection is okay. Now we are coming to the finished product warehouse and the logistics area. Here is used for storage and delivery. Our business model is to ship goods by order, so the products will be sent together and stored there temporarily. This is our delivery bulletin board. The delivering data are recorded in MES system so that the supplier, client, or materials in production process and the finished product can be traced. Besides, the transportation management system can play a good role in logistics. We have our own ROSE laboratory. In this classroom, we can make ROSE tests now. All products sent to EU countries should meet ROSE standards.
Welcome to our integrated data center sample room. As you can see, this is iTalent, equipped with intelligent monitoring, access control, PDM, PDU, UPS, battery, and in-row precision air conditioner. And here is INVT, also equipped with precision air conditioner. It can carry 15 cabinets at most. And this is iSmart. It is a single cabinet. The available space of single cabinet is 42U. And all of solutions support customized service. We have 4 precision air conditioner production lines, including rack AC, in-room AC, base station AC, and large room AC.
INVT sincerely looks forward to teaming up with you. If you have any questions about our production base or anything you are interested in, please don't hesitate to contact us, and our contact information is on the screen. Hoping you have a nice day. Have a good time. Bye!